I'm Mike Scalisi with HMY Yachts, and today we're aboard the 2007 59 Marquis, totally excellent. Follow me around and I'll give you an onboard tour. We can start our tour here on the aft deck, where you have a nice set of aft deck controls, bow and stern thruster. Nice seating area here as the centerpiece. Port, you have a stairwell leading up to the flybridge instead of a ladder. Engine room access here, but you also have engine room access from the hydraulic swim platform. Passageway here, and a centerline engine room access from the stern. Notice the nice big walk around side decks. Boarding gate here, and sun pad all the way up on the bow. Here we are up on the climate controlled flybridge of totally excellent. To the aft you have a davit for some water toys. There's actually a stern jump seat as well. You have a nice seating area here to starboard, port side wet bar, starboard side refrigerator and grill. And then up here at the helm where the captain is, we have a full complement of touchscreen Garmin electronics, bow and stern thruster, VHF radio, and everything else you need for safe navigation. Totally Excellent is powered by 825 horsepower MTU Series 60 diesel engines. She has a 22 kW Kohler generator, and also down in the engine room, she is currently carrying a spare set of propellers. Here we are in the main salon aboard the 59 Marquis, totally excellent. To starboard here, you have nice molded in seating area. Also seating across to port, so it's very social. Nice big windows for a lot of natural light. As we move forward, there's 2 steps up into a raised galley dinette area. To port, you have dishes and glass storage. There's under-counter refrigeration. Across to starboard, you have your nice galley up layout. Everything a shipboard gourmet would require. And just forward to the galley, since you don't have a lower helm station, you have a climate controlled single station up on the bridge here in the lower foyer. Facing forward, all the way in the forecastle, we have a VIP stateroom with an island queen berth. There's access to a shared head here to port. There's an outside access to that same head here to port. And then across the hallway to starboard, we have a bunk stateroom. And then all the way aft, we have our master stateroom. While we're transiting aft, there's a washer and dryer here to port as well. Stackable units. Our master stateroom is full beam with an island king berth. There's natural light both port and starboard, flat screen TV, plenty of storage. And then over here to starboard, we have an en-suite head. Thanks for joining me today aboard the 2007 59 Marquis, totally excellent. If you have any further questions or would like a personal VIP tour, please feel free to contact me directly. My name is Mike Scalisi with HMY Yachts, and I appreciate the opportunity to earn your trust and business.